next video. Come on in, come on in. This is a room tour of Copper Creek at Disney's Fort Wilderness Lodge. We are in a one-bedroom, the studio apartment. Bit of a unique studio apartment this one as well because it is a corner unit, so it's not the same as most of them. I'm about to show you why. So we've got a nice big wardrobe first of all when you come in. Normally in a studio, on this side of the wall, have the entrance to the toilet, but not in this one. Come down this way. We have loads of kitchen space. Turn around this way, please. Loads of cupboard space, and with one of these fancy pull-out pantries. We've already loaded up with all our food. Microwave, toaster, coffee machine, microwave. All you need for a short stay at Disney. Now, come down this way with me. Oh, there is actually. No, there isn't. I've got a bit more light switch, we're still experimenting. Now, there's a door here because if you need to, this is a lock-off studio, so you can join it to another bedroom and make it a massive big suite. But here, we got our sofa, we have our TV and loads of drawers and a beautiful balcony. Now, have a look at that view. Let me just open up this door for you so you can see it better. Straight out, 2 guys and boys, and a beautiful pool off Disney's Fort Wilderness Lodge. Let's go around the rest of it. Come on, back in, go back in. There is in here, like I said, a nice sofa, and one of the nice unique things about these coffee tables. Sit down, you're doing right here. How convenient is that? Brilliant. Now you may be wondering, where's the bed? Go that way. Go that way. Come on, go that way. We have a little table just here, and then we come into the massive big bedroom. We've got so much storage space in this bedroom as well. We have all the drawers over there. Now, we've got told this. Because the story of Fort Wilderness is mining and building things, so all of these handles are from what's been made in the story of Fort Wilderness. It's very echoey in here as well. We've got a big bed, 2 bedside cabinets with USB ports and plugs. Massive TV over there as well. 2 massive TVs in this studio, which is very unusual because normally you only have one. And also, we had a balcony out there. We got a balcony here as well. We're going to go to the bathroom, come on. Now, no, this isn't another wardrobe, this is our bathroom. So, in our bathroom we do have a nice big counter space, nice big sink, plenty of drawers and cupboard space as well. And you have a nice vanity mirror here, which look lovely, and towels. And a separate door to go into the massive shower room. So you've got your toilet in here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 marble showers. Right, you're taking it to go moving on the toilet. You've also got a nice big shower in here. Move this out of the way. Rainfall shower with a hand as well, but also a bath, which is a nice thing to have in Disney Resort. Also in this one, they haven't yet taken away the multi-use soap dispensers. I'll do that, mate, so it looks a bit weird that way. Multi-use soap dispensers. We have got single-use cosmetics right in the back there. I think now I've shown you everything. So, thanks for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, give us a thumbs up, give us a like on the video, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Thanks for joining us. Safe travels. Thank you for being a friend.